Bostonair provides 4 core services. Recruitment services that spans contractors, permanent staff and executive search. Aircraft line maintenance under our 2 Part 145 approvals. Aircraft type training under our 2 Part 147 approvals, along with a range of online courses such as human factors and fuel tank safety. And lastly, our newest service offering, which is auditing, compliance, safety and security services.
The origins of the company date back to when my family were originally involved in the fishing industry. And then when I joined the business in 1997, I completely changed direction with it and moved into this field of providing temporary manpower services to the airline sector. One of the things that we've done over the years is build very long-term partnerships with the likes of Lufthansa Group that we've been working with for, I think, about 24 years now. DHL Group since 2008, Condor in Germany since a similar sort of time. And it's as we sort of develop those relationships with customers and they ask us to provide more services that we develop our offering.
Bostonair Technical Training Limited can provide clients and individuals with affordable, flexible and most importantly compliant training. We're a EASA and UK CAA 147 approved aviation training provider. So we provide a variety of aviation type courses across multiple airframes and engines. Another facet to our business is we provide quite a lot of regulatory compliance training either in the classroom or through our 24/7 accessible online platform.
We've got our HQ obviously here in Beverley in Yorkshire with experienced personnel with technical backgrounds, recruitment backgrounds. We have a team of about 180 engineers, the majority of which are working and based in our Leipzig main operation. And we've got a management structure that's in place there to support, provide direction, oversight, control, communication back to our customers, which is key, ensuring that all of our customers are up to date with regards to risks that are presented to their operation.
We have our core values that we work towards at all times with every piece of work that we do. I have huge organisations trusting me with their highest level roles and to keep those completely confidential at all times. And equally to candidates, they may be in a very secure role, in a role that they've been in for years and years, but they're trusting me to talk about the potential to leave that role. I have to retain our integrity at all times.
I like to look at the business as being about what we can develop with a customer over the long term. And what I really want to try and do is make sure that people feel those values, not only here sat in our head office, but right at the ends, the very extremities of the organisation. We've traditionally operated very much focused on the European marketplace, but we're looking to expand beyond that now, specifically into the Asia-Pacific region.
We've got a great model that our customers attach high value to, which is why we're still in the market and we're growing strongly. And all we're doing here in terms of our expansion across other areas of the world is we'd like to replicate that model. We'd like to introduce our services to new customers that perhaps haven't heard about the Bostonair story.